Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired, honestly I don't really know what I want to call this. It's definitely for Valentine's Day. I guess kind of a soft, smoky liner? I don't know. I don't know what I'll call it. Oh my god. I didn't even think of a title. But anyway, this look is inspired for Valentine's Day. I do want to get a couple of looks knocked out for Valentine's Day. It's a busy time of year for me because that is my daughter's birthday. And just a lot of things are going to be going on for me around this time of year this year. So I definitely want to get some videos banged out for you guys. In the meantime, I did create this look. It's very soft, very feminine, still sexy. There's 2 lip combos you can definitely do, or in this case 3 maybe, that you can do with this look. I'm sure there's many more combos for lips in this look that you can do. I wanted to keep it something sweet, simple, still sexy, and not anything too over the top. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned and watch how I went about getting this look. Thanks again so much for being so supportive and for following my channel and just being overall amazing. Thank you guys so much. Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying these new brushes that I got off the Wish app. I'm just going to be testing them. First things first, we're going to go in with this Lord & Berry eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and just get a rough outline of the shape that we want. We're going to be smudging this out in just a minute, so you don't need to worry about it being too neat. And so now I'm going to go ahead and take this angled brush that came in the brush set that I just got. It's pretty dense. I do like this brush. It's probably one of the few favorites I have out of this bundle. We're just going to go ahead and take that brush and smudge this out just to give it a little bit more of a smoky look. You can wipe away any excess or to kind of make the liner a little bit smaller if you prefer, like I did here. I am also trying out from the Wish app this brush cleaner. I did order it. A fellow Seattle YouTuber by the name of Tanya Cheben recommended it on her channel. If you don't know who she is, go check out her channel. She's really awesome. I'm also going to go ahead and start by using the 2017 Too Faced Holiday Collection with Eggnog Latte. And I'm using Skinny Latte to go ahead and smoke out that liner. And I'm also going in with the Gingerbread cookie palette, and I'm using the color Maple Syrup just to kind of add some depth and dimension to the liner. I'm going to go back in with the Lord & Berry liner just so that the next color we use can have something to hold on to, so it adds more depth into the look that we're doing. Going back in with the Gingerbread cookie palette, I'm using Black Coffee with that same angled brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that on top of the liner we just applied, and then I'm taking this soft blending brush from that same brush set. I'm just going to go ahead and smoke that out. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some Vaseline with a little bit of sugar to exfoliate my lips. Now we're going to go in with this ESTÉE Lauder mascara. I'm just going to lightly coat my lashes before applying some false lashes. Now I don't remember the brand of these lashes. I will try and find that for you guys. I do like these. They're fluffy but not too overpowering. When it comes to the skin, we're going to go ahead and start using my favorite way of prepping the skin, and that's with the Mercier Hydrating Primer along with the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector just to give a glow underneath the foundation. And I'm going to be going in with my color correcting concealer from ULTA and just cover up any red spots from any breakouts or discoloration that I may have on my skin and blend that out.
Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I am in the shade 112. I'm going to go ahead and use the stippling foundation brush that came in this brush set to go ahead and blend that out all over my face. I didn't really like this. I think I'll stick to my kabuki brush or a beauty blender. It's just not dense enough for me. It took a lot of work to blend everything out. It's just really flimsy, so I didn't really care too much for this brush. And I apologize for my weirdness. If you have kids, you have definitely seen Moana one too many times, and you remember the songs. Going in with concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and add that where I would normally highlight my features. And I have not replaced my beauty blender yet, so I am going really old school with the little blending pad that I have going on here. Going in one more time with that Gingerbread cookie palette, I'm going to be using the bronzing shade in Gingerbread. We're going to go ahead and apply that as a bronzer or a contour, however you'd like to do it, to your jawline, your cheekbones, your temples, and of course I'm going to be contouring my nose as usual. I tried this brush out as well. Again, it's not very dense. I had to pinch the bristles together at the base just to get it to be a little bit stiffer to blend better. So I don't recommend this brush either, but the smaller brushes like the one I'm using to contour my nose, it works pretty well for what it needs to do for shadow, for contouring your nose. Same with the liner brush. For $3, this set was a pretty good steal. Again, it is from the Wish app, and so I'm not too disappointed because it was only $3. For blush, we're going to be using Peach Cobbler in the Eggnog Latte palette. This would probably compare to Luminosa with Milani, so you don't necessarily have to use the colors from these palettes. These are just what I have on hand, and I actually really like the color payoff in these. To get a soft, dewy glow, I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Sunbeam, and then I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to the tops of my cheekbones, a little bit around my brow, my nose, just a tiny bit on my Cupid's bow and my chin. And then I'm just going to top that off using the Carli Bybel palette. Now you can go ahead and use two lip colors. The first one is this pink lip gloss from NYX. It is from the Glam lip gloss collection in the color called The Last Party. It gives it a very feminine, very flirty, girly look, very soft for daytime wear. Or if you wanted to be a little bit more daring, you can go in with a darker color. I went ahead and used ColourPop's Lippy Stick in Fab 5. But if you want to be just a little extra over here, we can go ahead and use this Maybelline lipstick. I don't remember the collection that it's from, but this color is called Red Revival, just to brighten that look up just a little bit. And that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.